Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will solve a interesting maths Olympiad question. This question x times x times x times x over x plus x plus x plus x is equal to 16. X is equal to what? How to solve this interesting maths problem. So our math solution, x times x times x times x, it will be x to the power 4. And here x plus x plus x plus x, it will be 4x is equal to 16. Now at this moment you can say here x to the power 4, here is 1, so according to exponential formula here is base is same, so I subtract this exponent, so it will be x to the power 4 minus 1 over this 4 is equal to 16. Now here x to the power 4 minus 1, it will be 3, and this 4 here is equal to 16. Now you can say here x to the power 3, and if I multiply both sides by 4, so 4 times 16, it will be 64. We are finding out here is a cubic equation. It will be x to the power 3 minus 64 is equal to 0. Now here x to the power 3 minus 64, so you can easily this 64, it will be 4 to the power 3 is equal to 0. Now you can easily a cube minus v cube is equal to what? So a cube minus v cube, it will be a minus b times a square plus ab plus v square. So according to this formula, I can easily it will be x minus 4 times x square plus 4x plus v square. I mean 4 squared will be 16 is equal to 0. So we find out here is a two case. Our first case is x minus 4 is equal to 0, and other case we'll find out here is x squared plus 4x plus 16 is equal to 0. Now you can say here is x, it will be 4. If I move on this negative 4 in this side, it will be positive 4, but here x is equal to what? So you can see easily here a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 16. Now at this moment you can say here x, it will be minus b plus minus square root v square minus 4ac over 2a. So if I apply this formula here, so here x, it will be minus b is 4 plus minus square root v square, I mean 4 square minus 4ac is 1 and c is 16 over 2 times a is 1. Now here minus v plus minus square root 4 squared, it will be 16, so I take this 16 here, 4 times 16 it will be 64 over 2 times 1, it will be 2. Now you can say here is x, it will be minus 4 plus minus square root minus 48 over 2, 64 minus 16, it will be 48. Now here minus 4 plus minus square root 48, so it will be 16 times 3 times minus 1 over 2. Now minus 4 then plus minus square root 16, it will be 4, and here is a square root 3, and square root negative 1, it will be I over 2. Now you can see easily here x is equal to, if I separate this fraction, 4 divided 2, it will be minus 2 plus minus 4 divided 2 will be 2 square root 3i. So we are find out our final solution, x is equal to minus 2 plus minus 2 square root 3i, and x is equal to positive 4. So we are find out here is a 3 solution, here is 2 solution, both solution is complex number, and here is real solution. Thank you all. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe my channel for other interesting video. Goodbye, take care.